Okay. Last time I was doing problems on spherical mirrors. Today I'll teach you the ton of formulas, how to derive those formulas, like Lenz equation, mirror equation. Those are the equations, the derivation of which you have in the syllabus. Today I'll teach you how to derive them. Integration. Okay. So I'll show first derivation of Lenz equation. 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. This equation I'll prove first. I'll show the derivation of this equation first. Or we can derive this. So to derive this, take a lens and we'll form one image. Any kind of image you will make. So let us take principal axis, a lens L, optical center O. We can mark as this one as F. This can be 2F. This side also you can mark F. This side also 2F. Anywhere. Now I'll keep an object anywhere. I'll keep an object here. AB. AB is an object. First way I will take parallel to the principal axis. Where will this ray pass after refraction from the lens? It will pass through F if it is a convex lens, or if it is a concave lens, it will appear to pass through this F, diverging, virtual focus. Just now I am taking this lens to be a convex lens, so this will be passed through F. Another one I will pass it through O and it will go straight without bending. Here is the image formed. I will make an image here. Image is A dash B dash. I am making a real image. So at least one image we will show, and we will assume the lens to be a convex lens. That will be easier, better. You can change this into a convex lens like this. And I'll give the name of this point as M. OM. The name of this point is, what I will do, I will take similar triangles. Like one similar triangle is OAB, OAB, and another similar triangle is OA dash B dash. So object distance I will mark here U, image from here V, focal length I will mark from here till here, I will mark as F, focal length. OF is focal length, that is F, denoted by F. So I am taking the similar triangle. We can write here directly in similar triangles OAB and OA dash B dash. OAB and OA dash B dash. The two triangles are similar definitely because this is 90, this is also 90, and these angles are equal, vertically opposite. So the triangles are automatically similar. In this case, you don't need to use geometry to prove similarity. They are already similar. So we'll just write directly in similar triangles OAB and triangle OA dash B dash. When the triangles are similar, what happens? The ratio of the sides are equal. I take the ratio AB by this is equal to this distance by this distance I will take. I'll write out here AB by this distance, that is OA is equal to dash by OB dash. Marking this as equation 1. Mark this equation as equation number 1. Now I take another similar triangle. Another similar triangle is OMF and F A dash B dash, another similar triangle. O M and F A dash B dash, right here. In similar triangles, O M F and F A dash B dash. What will happen? This by this, we write that OM by A dash B dash is equal to OF by FA dash. Mark this as equation number 2. Marking as equation number 2. If you can see this one, ABMO, this is a rectangle. AB distance and OM distance will be equal. This distance are the same. This one are equal. That means OM equal to, under bracket we write here, OM equal to AB. OM is equal to AB. OM is equal to AB, being a rectangle. Now we are seeing equation 1 and equation 2. What do you see? You see the left hand sides are equal. AB by OA, here also AB by A dash B dash. Indirectly it is equal. Left hand sides are equal. What will happen to the right hand side? They will also become equal. Right on here.
Excuse me, sir. Please explain again.
Yes.
How did you in similar triangles and whatever? So what?
First part or first equation or second equation? Or both?
So both.
Okay. I'm taking the similar triangle OAB and OA dash B dash. Are the two triangles similar? The condition of similarity, the two angles of the two triangles have to be equal. 90-90. This is vertical opposite. Triangles are simply prove similarity. Yeah? Now go directly around. Once the triangles are similar, what happens to the corresponding sides? The ratio corresponding sides are AB and outside is A dash B dash. Here we write this by this. I wrote that only. AB by OA is equal to OA dash by OB dash. OA dash by AB dash. AB by this one. I made mistake on AB by dash. Please make correction there. AB by this to this by this. OA by OA dash. There was a mistake, so please correct. Is it okay? Yeah, please check. Is it all right, or once again, what do you say? Triangles are similar, no? So we are writing the ratio of the sides equal. This by this is equal to this upon this. I wrote that. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now I am taking another set of similar triangles. Another set of similar triangles is OMF and FA dash B dash. OMF and FA dash B dash. This by this I will write OM by A dash B dash is equal to OF by FA dash. I will written that. But this OM is equal to AB, being a rectangle here. OM within bracket I write AB equal to AB. OM is equal to AB by virtue of a rectangle. So now, therefore, from equation 1 and equation 2, what happens? Right hand side will be equal, right? Let us write right hand side. OA by OA dash is equal to OF by FA dash. Now I'll put the values. OA. O to A distance is what? U. I will write U and I will give a sign minus because it is in the opposite direction of the incident dash. Object distance is negative, so I'll give a minus sign also. OA dash. O to A dash is V, positive V, write that. OF is positive F. A dash, F to A dash distance, how to that will be V, let us say V minus F, and the sign of total distance V minus F will be positive. It is on this side. Now I'll do cross multiply and solve it. Just V plus UF is equal to F. So I have multiplied. Now I will divide by UVF throughout. Everywhere dividing by UVF, right? Minus UV by UVF plus UF divided by UVF by UVF. Everywhere to be divided by UVF. Once we divide, now I rub the diagram because diagram work is done. Pencil and all, and I think you'll get this answer. Here U by F, UF, VF will go, you get 1 by U. 1 by U, bring this side, 1 by F, send that side. You get 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So this becomes a formula. This is how the length equation, that is 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, derived. Is it all right? Check. Let me know. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the derivation of the length equation formula. Now I will derive, right, like this, for a spherical mirror, prove that R equal to 2F. Or they may ask you, prove that F is equal to R by 2. R is the radius of curvature and F is the focal length. You have to show that radius of curvature is equal to twice the focal length. Let us prove this one. So I'll draw a mirror, any kind of mirror I'll draw. This is concave mirror. I'll write P, this is F, this will be C. P to F distance, PF distance will be focal length, F, and PC distance will be equal to R. We have to show PC is equal to twice of PF. Okay. That means this distance we can mark as F, and the total distance from here till here is R. PC, P to C. So I'll draw a diagram. For this, I'll take away parallel to the principal axis, an incident ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection from the mirror through F. So this is going to pass through F. This ray is passing through F. Okay. Reflection taking place here. This time we will not make image. Why? Because we are not deriving the formula, like mirror equation we are not deriving, where U and V should come. So we just draw one, this only, incident parallel only one day without making image. Now I'll draw normal here, normal. When we draw normal line will pass through C. So from here we'll draw a dotted line here like this. This is the normal drawn here. Normal line on a spherical surface will pass through C or will appear to pass through C. Reflection taking place, reflection time, this angle and these angles are equal. Reflection time, angle I and angle R are always equal. We know that. You know, I just take a case of a mirror here, like plane mirror, ray coming here, reflected. Here is the normal. This angle are equal, no? This angles are equal. That is the law of reflection. Same way, this angle will be equal. Suppose I take this angle to be x, this angle will also be x. You can mark equal because angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. Reflected ray with the normal, incident ray with the normal. The two angles are equal. This angle is x, this angle also be x. This is the from the law of reflection. Okay. Now I'll give the name of this point as anything M. This point name is M. Okay. Now from M, if I draw perpendicular here, I draw perpendicular like this. Let us give the name of here O. O is a perpendicular dropped. Okay, right on. Assuming okay, without that, first we'll write the value of here. I mean, this angle is x, so this angle will be x, being interior alternate angle. This whole angle is 2x, so this angle will also be 2x. Using the interior angle property of two parallel lines. This line is parallel because this is principal axis. Now we have taken a line parallel to the principal axis. So this angle is x. You can see like this. This angle will be x. The whole angle is 2x. Then this 2x. This angle will be 2x. Closer angle will be bigger than the far away angle. I'll be using tan. Write down tan 2x. Tan 2x. Tan formula is perpendicular by the base. I'll write the perpendicular is MO and the base is OF. Right, OF. Mark as equation number 1. Or after that, assuming aperture to be very small, tan 2x will be equal to only 2x. They will be nearly equal to 2x. Tan 2x is equal to 2x only. Aperture means, size of the mirror we are assuming to be small. So these angles are assumed to be small only. So when the angles are small, tan can be neglected. Tan 2x will be equal to 2x. Nearly equal to. Therefore, this will become 2x. I said 2x is equal to MO by, and now equation 1. Similarly, I write tan x. Tan x, this angle. Tan x will be equal to MO by this angle, OC. That's MO by OC. Equation number 2. No, not equation number 2. No, angles are small only, so tan x will also become x. That is MO by OC. And mark equation number 2. Same reason. You can write here as tan x is nearly equal to x. Okay. Now, from equation 1 and equation 2, we'll connect equation 1 and equation 2. X value I'll put here in the equation 1, right? Putting the value of x from equation 2, putting the value of x from equation 2 in equation 1. I'll put the value. This will become like this 2x. The value of x I'm putting the value of x is MO by OC, and this side I'll write MO by OF. This MO and MO cancel. Do cross multiply, you get 2OF is equal to OC. 2OF. How close is the point O to the point P? We say it is very close, no? Because these 2 points are very close. That means the distance OF is same as the distance PF. This point O will be behaving as behaving same as the point P. That means this O can be replaced by P, right? As PF is equal to PC. To PF distance is F. We can write within bracket minus F. PC is equal to minus R. I mean, this in the left side, this is also in the left side against the incident ray. Minus minus and cancel, you get 2F is equal to R. Therefore, we have the formula R is equal to PF. Or we can write F is equal to R by 2. Or F is equal to R by 2. So this is how this equation is derived. This type of question may carry 3 marks. 1 mark will be on the diagram. Another mark will be on forming these 2 equations, 1 mark, and another mark will be on completing the result. So this is derived. Now I will derive the next formula, that is mirror equation. Mirror equation I will get. Mirror equation. Question may come, prove that for a spherical mirror, one by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. I will prove this one now. For a spherical mirror within a spherical mirror can come concave, can come convex. Any one of these mirrors will show this. Okay. For showing this, now we will make one image. So let us take a mirror. Standard case, we take a concave mirror of very small aperture. All the mirrors aperture will be small. Mirror aperture is the size of the mirror. We are taking the small size mirror, not big size mirror. Mark a point P, and here is the principal axis. This will be F, this will be C. I take an object anywhere. I have taken an object AB. From AB, one ray will come like this, and it will pass through F. We'll make one image at least. Second ray, we can take it through C and it return back. Let us take it through C like this, which is returning back. Because any ray through C will be normally incident. When any ray is normally incident, it returns back along the same path. Here is the image formed. Here. We'll mark the image here. A dash, B dash. Okay. Now we have shown the object, image, and the focal length is PF. You can write out here PF is equal to F with the minus sign. PC is equal to minus R, and PA equal to minus U. P to A. All the distances you are measuring from the point P. From the point P, PF is your focal length. PA dash is the PA is the object distance. I will write about PA dash also. PA dash is V, minus V. All the distances are negative because you are measuring from P this way, and whereas the incident ray is coming like this. All the distances are in the direction opposite to the incident light. Okay, here also I will take similar triangles. And from this point I will mark this M, draw perpendicular O. MO is the perpendicular drop. This is also perpendicular, this is also perpendicular. Again, I will be taking similar triangles. Set of 2 similar triangles I will take. First one is this one, these 2 are similar, and this one are similar. I'll name them. I'm talking about these 2 similar, and these 2 are also similar. And after that, you carry on with the equation and you'll get this result. So name the triangle first, right? In similar triangles ABC and CA dash B dash. In similar triangles ABC and CA dash B dash. What is the property of similar triangle? This by this, let us write down AB by A dash B dash equal to AC by CA dash. Marking as equation 1. AC by CA dash. Marking this as equation number 1. I'll take another set of similar triangle, this one and this one. A dash B dash F and OMF. I write here in similar triangles, OMF and A dash B dash F. A dash B dash F. What to write down the ratio of the sides? This by this is equal to this by this. I write that. Write down MO by OF equal to MO by A dash B dash is equal to OF by FA dash. Marking equation number 2. Here, what do you see? MO and AB are equal, being a rectangle, right? Equal to AB. Within bracket, I write. The distance, the height of MO and AB are equal due to the rectangle form. This is the rectangle. Look at the equation 1 and equation 2. Left hand sides are equal. AB, this is indirectly AB. By this A dash B dash, same. Left hand sides are equal. Then what will happen to the right hand side? They will become equal. Right on. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2. Therefore, from equation 1 and equation 2, we have right hand side becoming equal, right? AC by CA dash is equal to OF by FA dash. Now I'll put the values and all and I'll solve it. Okay, the point O is very close to the point P, that means O point will behave as same as the point P. So O we can replace by P. The distance O can be replaced by P. You can write that is AC by CA dash is equal to PF by FA dash. We can write here, since O is very close to P due to very small aperture, we are assuming the aperture to be very small, so the point O is very close to the point P. Okay, now I'll take the values. AC, A to C distance. AC distance will come how much? AC value will come from here, let us measure from P. It will come PA minus PC. PA value is what? Minus U. So AC distance we can write, first let us write PA minus PC upon CA dash. CA dash value I write as PC by minus PA dash. From P, PC minus PA dash. PF I keep as it is. FA dash. FA dash value I write as PA dash minus PF. Okay. All right. Because in meter and all the distances are measured from P. So AC distance we are measuring from here. PA minus PC. That will give the value of AC. CA dash value will come PC minus PA dash. I have written that. PF I'll keep as it is already from P. FA dash value will come PA dash minus PF. Now I'll put the values which I have there, and now I'll remove the diagram now. Okay. Put the value of PA. The value of PA is minus U. Put minus U minus PC. PC is minus R, so put within bracket minus R. Divided by PC. PC is minus R. PA dash value is minus V. PF is equal to minus F. PA dash is minus V minus PF is minus F. I'll open bracket, you get minus U plus R minus R plus V minus F minus V plus F. Again, I will be doing cross multiplication. Minus U into this will become UV minus UF minus VR plus RF is equal to plus RF minus FV. RF cancels. Okay. Now this R I will change because we know the formula R is equal to 2F. Let us write instead of R we write 2F. UV minus UF V into 2F is equal to minus FV. So you get UV minus UF minus 2VF minus FV. This minus 2VF I send the other side. It will become UV minus UF is equal to minus FV plus 2VF. It's the same thing actually. So it will become UV minus UF is equal to FV. FV and VF is same. Dividing by UVF everywhere. Same technique out there last. UV by UVF, UVF, FV by UVF. Dividing everywhere by UVF. UV cancel. You get 1 by F coming here. Minus UF will go. You get minus 1 by V coming here. FV will go. You get 1 by U coming. You get 1 by F minus 1 by V send the other side. You get 1 by U plus 1 by V. Therefore, concluding answer now we are writing as 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So this is the derivation. You need to make a proper diagram, and using that diagram and with the values, all the distances are measured from the origin, and then you will be simplifying it. At last, you have to divide by UVF everywhere and you will get the result. Okay? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So these are the derivations. You need to draw the diagram yourself once and then solve it. Try to do it by yourself. One more way you can do this one. I will not do the entire thing, so you can try yourself and do this way also you can do. I'll take the mirror here. Of course, concave mirror I am taking. Here is P, this is F, this is C. Rays, I'll take ray anywhere. Suppose AB is an object. I'll take one ray like this. This will pass through F. Next ray will pass through F and will become parallel. Here is the image. Here is the image formed. A dash B dash is the image formed. I'll draw a perpendicular here also. Oh. This time I am forming the image by taking one ray passing through F, another ray passing through F, becoming parallel. That way I am forming image. In the previous diagram I showed it's passing through C, returning back. So that is also a method. This can also be a method. Okay, so I just give an idea only how can you prove that equation. You again take the similarity here. This triangle are similar. I'm talking about OA dash F and MOF. These two triangles are similar. Another similarity we can prove. This is OM. You can extend it out here. Extend it here, and this will become N. So another similar triangle you can take ABF and another one FPN. Sorry, FON. And first you can take this one, and this one, and then you go ahead with it, and I think you'll get the same result. AB by this will become F by FP or FO. Then this by this is equal to this by this will happen. So left hand side will become equal because the distance OM is same as the distance OM. The left hand side will become equal, the right hand side you will equate and then proceed with it and you will get the result. You can give a try at home, otherwise the previous method which I showed you can follow it. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
So this is also one of the methods. Okay. So the method which I showed, you can just learn one way only of doing it. That will be easier. That will be better also. Okay. So today let us do this much. Tomorrow we'll be starting new topic. Okay. Altogether a new topic we will start tomorrow. That will be refraction through a single surface, single spherical surface, single curved surface or a spherical surface. That I will do tomorrow. Okay. That is something new topic, about which you did not do it before in the lower classes and also. About that we will be starting tomorrow. And the length maker formula, tomorrow we will do. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.